Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate random MAC address of your TCL 605. So we are on the immediate info page, you can see the link right in here, and now first in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing all checking options on this site, and I'm also showing how to find the IMEI number on your TCL in that video, so if you want you can look for it. Once you have typed it, click on check IMEI. Now we have our TCL. Scroll down until you find the basic checks and click on MAC address generator. Now in this text bar we need to type the MAC address of our device. If you don't know how to find it, also on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to find it. So if you want you can look for it, but you can always click on check how to find the MAC address in your device. And in here you have steps how to do it on Android, iPhone and many others. Alright, so once you have typed your MAC address, click on generate random MAC. Okay, now we have our results. Scroll down and in here we have 10 random MAC addresses. We can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon which is next to each number, or we can copy all of them at the same time by clicking copy all MACs. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.